You searched how to buy shares of YIT.HE, a Finnish construction and infrastructure company listed on CBOE EU. The ticker to look for is YIT.HE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker YIT.HE to find the correct listing. Make sure you select the result that references CBOE EU and the company name YIT Oyj to avoid similar symbols. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for the stock. Confirm the company details and exchange to ensure this is the YIT Oyj listing you intend to buy. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, you can schedule or place a pending order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it, and if you want to follow this exact walkthrough, the link to eToro is in the description.